All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on a 2022 Chevy Malibu. As you can see, the airbag is deployed. Like I said, I bought this from a Copart, and as you can see, another airbag down there is deployed, which is the knee airbag on the driver's side. And today I will be replacing that one. But I bought this car from Copart. It has, let's see what we got on the clock here. We're gonna start it up. I think it has roughly, oh, there it is, 65,123 miles on it. It has problems for sure. If you didn't watch my other video, it'll certainly let you know what's all wrong with it. I'll just give a brief description right now that the front bumper has been pretty much totally toast, and the crash bar needs to be fixed, and I put a new radiator and all that other stuff on here so far. But anyway, today's video is going to be about changing this out right here. I don't have the steering wheel airbag just yet. I'm still looking for one, trying to get the cheapest price as possible. But anyway, we're gonna be focusing on this one. Very easy remedy. I just wanted to start from scratch so people could see how to do this, because I know a lot of people want me to go in greater detail. So first thing we're gonna do, turn the car off, and we're gonna go under the hood and disconnect the battery cable, the negative battery cable, that is. All right, you have a ground wire here. This is a size 10 mil. Just take that off. All right, once you take that battery cable off, you want to let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna show y'all what to do next. All right, this is what the newer airbag look like here. You have a screw that's gonna be sitting here and on the other side. And you're also gonna have a connection here. But when I stated to keep the cable off for 15 minutes, I mean keep it off during the whole process. You don't want to work on this before 15 minutes, because sometimes cars store energy, and you don't want to take this off, which is not going to deploy, but you don't want to risk messing the new one up by plugging it up and it deploying in your face. You don't want that. So it's still a few minutes. I'm gonna wait that 15 minutes and we're gonna change this out. Very easy to do. There's a 10 mil and this one here. And as you can see, this is your harness here. It's usually always on American cars and most cars, color coded yellow. And there it is. That's a size 10 as well. So you take those two screws out. We're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna take the yellow tab off, as you can see. So I want to show y'all, when you take this harness out, it's gonna be kind of tight. So the way I got it out, just to give y'all some tips, I bent this back, because if it's like this, it's definitely hard to take out. So I bent this piece back here, and you're gonna pull it a little aggressive, and just pull it straight out. It's not easy as you think it's gonna be, but this is what it looks like right here. So we're gonna be putting the other one back in, which it looks like it's still all right. But yeah, that's what your harness look like that goes into it. So we're gonna put the new one in. As you can see the difference here, this one was pretty mangled up and it was stuck like this. So like I was saying, just pull it up like that, give you more space. And when it's time to put this one back, you see it's much more space there to put the harness back in. So basically all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the harness on first. I think that's gonna be the easiest way. And And then we're gonna put the screws in that goes here and here. And when you get done with this, you should use a scan tool. Well, plug up the battery. Well, reconnect the battery terminal, the -1. And if your light comes back on, that means you're gonna need a scan tool to reset the airbag light. So in my case, there's no need to be doing this because I still have to do the steering wheel, and I will be making a video of that one once I receive one. If this was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. It doesn't cost any money. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.